So Southwest Solutions makes everything you can think of stainless steel. So we do cabinets, I've done stainless steel walls, stainless steel upper cabinets. This is just a demo unit to try to show you a couple of the cool features that we have. So we can put doors on units. We can do drawers on units. Now, key thing about the drawer is notice I can't see any of the glides. So if I had a spill, like if I'm in a lab, instead of spilling something into the glides, I've got a glide protector. So let's just say I spilled something into this drawer. Don't panic, just remove the drawer. I can pop the front off or I can leave the front on, and I can send this through basically cleaning process, sterile processing in a hospital, or I could really just get some serious cleaning done. Again, the glides are protected, so I didn't get anything in the glides. The drawer comes back. All I do is put that on, and now that drawer is self-closing and it's back in business. So don't worry about the spill, but stainless steel tops, even if you have existing counters, we do a lot of stainless steel tops, integrated stainless sinks. Just in this demo alone, it just kind of gives you some ideas. So the real popular thing with stainless steel right now, especially in healthcare. So obviously, I mentioned earlier, we did stainless steel. And so stainless steel, you can do adjustable shelves, but the real thing that I'm seeing in healthcare is I'm taking trays with adjustable partitions, and I can basically slide those in to the stainless steel. And when I bring this out, it actually can tilt on an angle for me to pick. And there's some images that we'll share with you of really best practice for stainless steel utilizing inserts.